Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix copyright claim on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see report a problem. Click on that and then you simply need to scroll down and here you can see submit a report and here you need to tell us your feedback. So here you need to write to the TikTok team. Hi TikTok team, I got copyright claim on my video. I think this is a mistake. My video fall under fair use. Can you please check my video and write thanks TikTok team. Here you can add screenshot and add video as well, and then you simply need to click on submit. Then the TikTok team will review your video and in 24 to 48 hours they will tell you their response and hopefully your video will restated on your account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.